In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to sign up to Apex Trader Funding. I will leave a link under this video for all the links that you will need in this video, so don't worry. If you would like to get more about funded account, don't forget to go to whichfunded.io. You can filter and see any prop firm that suit your parameter here, and just in one click to get all what you need. For example, if you go overnight position and stock trading, maybe those prop firm are for you. But let's dive in. As you can see right now, you have 90% off in Apex Trader, but maybe you will have 70% or 80%, depend when you see this video. I will leave a link, the coupon code that will give you the best promo code, or go to whichfunded.io and you will see the updated coupon code over there. So you go here to sign up, and then you will need to choose a plan. You can choose a rhythmic plan, or if you scroll down, you will get a Tradovate plan. You will choose between 25,000, 50,000, 75, 100K, 100K, 250, 300, or 100K static. If you're not familiar with the difference between full or static, this is static. The profit goal is the 2,000, but the total drawdown is 625. That's a little, very little bit, but it's not moving. This is the trailing threshold is move when you make profit. For example, if you make $1,000, so the your stop loss going $1,000 up. So you should know that, and see the guidelines video that we made, what must to know before open an Apex Trader. We made a video about that, so check it out in our YouTube channel. I will prefer to go with the 50K because with those parameters I check, and this is the best for me. I will not go with more than that, not the 100K or more. I will open 2 of 50 if I would like to have 100,000. Here we see the pricing is 187 monthly, but it's not have to be monthly. If you will pass the challenge, you will not need to pay every month. You just need to pay one time payment. So if you have 90% off that we have already now, you will pay only $18. And if you pass the challenge in 1 month, you will need to pay $160 just to get one-time payments, to get it to have for 10 years. So that's nice. I will choose the Tradovate account because I can after that I can take it to and connect it to TradingView. Now I need to put my name, my full name, last name, my email address. I will write it down twice. I will choose a username by myself. Choose a password. I will use it twice. And then my address, country, state, zip code. I will use all my personal information for sure. Coupon code, you can use that code I will give you now, but if you want to know the updated code, you need to check whichfunded.io, but this code is working as well. Let's see. Yes, save 90. I will not use that. I agree not to use a coupon code. This is not good for using that, because you can't use promo code after that if you click here. And now you need to sign up all of those. Check all the boxes beside the coupon code, and then click next. After that, you will, this is your first time, you will need to go to your email and check the email and just approve it and put your credit card to pay for that. But after that, you will see that. And then if you choose Tradeovate, all you need here is to see Tradeovate account. You see here your Tradeovate account, right? Now you see the password, you copy and paste the password to go to Tradeovate. Then you will put here your account and password. This is not my first time here, so you will need to use, it will ask you to sign up, and you need to choose that you are not professional, non-professional account, and a simulation. And after that, you will have that, you will see that dashboard, and then you will go to application, you will go to add-on, you will see trading view, you will click on activated, and after that you can go to open trading view. And all you need to do now is to go to the menu down over here to trading panel, choose Tradeovate. If you don't find it, go here, see all, you will find it in the third here, somewhere here, put it in favorite, click on it, choose demo, and use your username and password. If you did everything right, you will have your account here. If not, you just need to wait a little bit, 1 hour, 1.5 hours, and it will be fine. Just use your username and password that is here. Don't forget to use the add-on here and to choose the demo account. That's it. Hope that the video and guideline help you. And if you would like to learn more, don't forget to go to whichfunded.io. And of course, we have a video about what you must know about Apex before you open account, what must know before you use your PA account, your live account, and how to connect to TradingView if you need much more detailed video. I will see you soon in our next videos. Hope that helped you. Bye for now.